Here's our brand new treasure we just found. This is a typical 1970s campagnolo tool frame box. We have everything that you need here. We have the threaders, all the different pedal keys, lock nuts, everything that you need to rebuild a frame or construct one. Every single piece that you can find here. And this is only exclusive available. These are very rare. You can only get these at vikingthings.com. Send us an email if you have any questions or if you want to see more detailed pictures of every piece that is inside here. And all the original tool. The box itself is in great condition, and that's a very important part of this set.